Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fine-tune YouTube settings for creators. So first of all, open up the YouTube Studio app on your phone, right? Or download the YouTube Studio, right? And then log in with your account and then access the channel settings. Tap the three horizontal lines or hamburger menu, and then basic info, edit your channel name, descriptions and links, set the default settings for uploads, title, descriptions and all that, right? And tags, or advanced settings like adjust features like monetizations, comments and age restrictions. And go to the video section and to edit individual video settings including visibility and monetization option. And check your notification preferences to stay updated on the comments and changes, and make sure to save any changes you make. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.